Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to build a website with Hostinger. First, you'll need to choose a hosting plan that aligns with your website's requirements, whether it's for a small blog or a larger e-commerce store. Next, register a unique domain name that represents your brand. Finally, complete the initial setup process within your Hostinger account, which is designed to be very user-friendly. Once your account is set up, you have powerful tools to build your site. You can use the Hostinger Website Builder, which offers a simple drag-and-drop interface, perfect for beginners. Alternatively, for more advanced features and flexibility, install WordPress with just one click. Both options allow you to select from hundreds of professional templates to kickstart your website's design. Now it's time to make your website truly yours. Personalize its appearance by choosing themes and adjusting color schemes to match your brand. Add compelling content, including high-quality text, images, and videos, to engage your visitors. Remember to optimize your website for mobile responsiveness, ensuring it looks great and functions perfectly on all screen sizes, from desktops to smartphones. Before launching, thoroughly review every page of your website to catch any errors. Implement basic SEO practices to help your site rank better in search results. Once live, remember that maintenance is key. Regularly update your content and software to ensure security and optimal performance. Also, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. This ongoing care will keep your website running smoothly and effectively.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.